Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be visiting the Hudson by Veridian Homes. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. This is 2,172 square feet. This baby has 9-foot ceilings, a full large basement, 2-car garage, a flex room, and smart home technology, and lots of amazing features that I know you guys are going to love. So subscribe and come and take this tour with me. Hello and welcome back, everybody. This is another episode of the House Hunny. Today we are at a Veridian home. This is the Hudson floor plan. So we're gonna take a tour. This is not furnished, but nevertheless, it is stunning. So I went ahead and went through everything, and I turned on some lights for us so that way we can see this thing in its most effortless beauty. So when you come to the left, this is the first room, an office space. And it's got some natural light coming in, got the chandelier. It's really spacious in this room too, carpet. But when you walk in, you've got this hardwood floor that is just stunning. I love the dark wood. And then you come up the stairs that lead upstairs. And then this to the right, as soon as you walk in, you've got some storage. You've got some nice storage and a bathroom. Don't you love when the bathroom is right at the front? So that way your guests don't have to go all through your house tracking in God knows what, when that is so unnecessary. All right, so here's your bathroom. So again, front, okay, front, bathroom and closet space that I just showed you over here, and then the office space. So let's continue on into this beautiful but simple, dare I say, luxury home. Love this. This is the living room, clearly. And wow, this is a really intense fireplace right here. You've got that dark wood against the light colored wall with the white backsplash and then the black trim. That is really interesting. That's very deep. Very deep. You have to decor 8 to match that very nicely, or else that can kind of just take over. All right, this is the other side. You see that deck out there, very nice. I'll show you guys in a little bit. But get some of this kitchen. This kitchen is absolutely stunning. This is a really big, airy, open floor plan. I'm starting to see similarities in the Veridian homes. They're very open and airy, but this island is huge. Again, I can barely even get this whole island in my phone. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like the unfurnished? Is it a little different? Obviously, the furnished are better. Well, not necessarily. I mean, with the furnished, you get an idea of how someone else would put it together. You know, they are the ones that come in and get everything situated in terms of furniture and everything else. But I really do like unfurnished. It just feels so open and clean, like a blank canvas that's already beautiful. Guys, look at the storage. I love storage in the laundry room. I do. And then this one Has a huge shelf and rack that goes across the whole wall. This is a pretty decent size shelf and rack. Let me tell you, this is pretty nice. But you got the sink over here too. Very convenient. And let's see. You've got your 2-car garage out here. It is cold. Oh, a nice little window too. Just close that back up and keep the warmth where we're at. So if we're coming back through the laundry room, the living room, I love those 2 windows on the side. That's really cute. Lots of natural light. The angle though. Look at this kitchen. You guys, I love this kitchen. I love the dark cabinet with the light countertop and I do like the white backsplash, especially because it's matching the fireplace, which I see in Veridian homes. That's another similarity. But if it were me, I would probably do a light gray backsplash. I don't know. Still nice and pretty. But anyway, so we're coming back this way towards the front where we walked in. And now we're going to go upstairs. But first, let's just take in this large window, tall ceiling, beautiful chandelier. Guys, if this is not motivation, then I don't know what is. I mean, these homes, it just forces you to picture your life and take inventory and just say, you know what? I gotta do better. I can do better. I need to start doing better. Okay, so we're at the top of the stairs. Well, now we are. To the left, we've got a couple bedrooms. Let's get into it. So, first bedroom, small. This one has some small bedrooms, I'm not going to lie. But, I mean, how much space does a kid really need? And if that's the case, you know what I mean? There's the outside, there's living room, there is possibly garage depending. There is other space. I mean, your bedroom is to go to sleep and to just be comfortable and help you store some clothes. So this one's a little bit bigger than the last one, but not huge. Not even necessary to be huge, but that's what it is. I'm sure a kid would absolutely love a bedroom that is his own or her own. Maybe they're sharing one at the moment. I don't know, but it's nice. It's a nice bedroom. Perfect size. And then if we come over here, we got the bathroom. Shower tub combo, tile flooring. Simple, so beautiful. Again, we got the dark cabinetry with the light countertop and that pop of dark faucet with the dark trim. I love it. Okay, third bedroom. This one is about the size of the very last one that we just did. And again, I think it's a perfect size. Gives them something to work up to. That way they can get into this baby one day down the line. This is the master. Look at the ceiling. And get into this size. Now, on camera, it's hard to see, but this bedroom is actually massive. Let's turn this way. This bedroom is absolutely massive. I don't know if you guys heard my footsteps, but I took quite a few just to get over here. And don't know what that was, but certainly was not me. Okay, master bathroom. Let's get into it. Already, I love the floor in here. Love that white, light tile paired with the dark cabinetry, light white countertops, huge double mirrors. Why did I say huge double mirrors? They're not that big. Two mirrors that are decent size with some nice overhead lighting right there. This one doesn't have its own toilet area. I don't like that for master baths because I feel like that's kind of stingy almost. Like there should be some type of door separating it just so that it can be used with more ease. I mean, I'm sure a lot of couples may not mind it, but that could be very awkward. Anyway, closet, here we go. Nice, decent size. Let's see if it's got the other side. It does. Yeah. Pretty decent sized closet. Very nice. I could fit all my stuff in here with ease. Oh, perfect. I'm walking, not gonna be in the mirror, and I'll just so ever turn this way so that I'm not seen and come back out on this side on top. There we go. All right, you guys, well, that was the master. Let's go back downstairs. Again, this is the Hudson floor plan. Subscribe to my channel, you guys. We're gonna get into way better houses, luxury homes. We may even do some luxury tiny homes, some modular homes, different ones like that. I am feeling the Veridian homes though. I am. I'm a fan. I am a fan of the Veridian. I really am. I definitely fell in love with one of the floor plans today. Gave me something to motivate me with, which is always nice. And now we're coming back downstairs. Look at the dark oak, the staircase. I love the dark. It is so cute. This house is really modern. Really modern. It's a new construction, new model home, but I mean, it's still really modern. Not all of them are really modern. Some of them are kind of stingy with the cabinetry, the countertops. You know, you can get a very bland, basic model home, and I feel like Veridian just goes above and beyond. So I do like what they have here in store. I like what they offer. And we're gonna close it out with this shot right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please continue to subscribe and like, hit the post notification bell, you guys. I promise, me and you and me, we're gonna take some really nice tours and we're gonna grow the channel and it's gonna be fun. So the House Hunny out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on another episode.